Have you ever wondered why some people grow massive juicy citrus while others end up with tiny sour ones? Today I'm revealing these secrets. Don't click away. Be right back. Hi citrus lovers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Marcelina, and after 30 years of growing citrus, I've discovered the secrets to turning any trees into a fruit producing powerhouse. Stick around, I'm sharing these secret tips with you, and the last one is a game changer. Let's get to it. Citrus trees hate or dislike sitting in water but need consistent moisture. The secret: a perfect, well-balanced citrus potting soil. Giving your tree with the right soil is the key to faster growth and sweeter fruit. We offer our citrus potting soil. This premium blend is handcrafted with high-quality potting soil, perlites, pine bark, worm castings, neem powder, and mycorrhizae, ensuring proper aeration, hydration, and root protection. If you need this potting soil, I provide the link description below. Check it out. Secret number 2, mastering the light for maximum sweetness. Coming up. Sunlight plays a crucial role in the sweetness of citrus fruit by directly impacting photosynthesis, which fuels sugar production. And here's how to master light for sweeter citrus. First, provide full sun. Citrus trees need at least 8 hours of direct sunlight. More sunlight means more energy for the tree to convert into sugar, resulting in sweeter fruit. Second is strategic placement. In-ground citrus trees should be planted in a sunny spot available. Potted citrus should be moved to a bright south-facing location or supplemented with grow lights in low light seasons. I have a video on how to grow citrus indoors. I would encourage you guys to watch that video. Third, prune for light penetration. Now, pruning is not just shaping the tree, it is also allowing good air circulation as well as increasing fruit production. However, never prune in winter, alright? Do all your pruning in early spring or early summer. Thinning out dense foliage, like what you see here, I removed some of the leaves of my calamandin. Thinning out dense foliage allows more sunlight to reach the inner branches, ensuring all fruit gets enough exposure to light. Other way to harness light is using reflective molds. A reflective mold can be using perlites or aluminum foil. So, mulch your tree with perlites or aluminum foil. This can reflect lights on the lower branches and improving overall fruit quality. So, mastering light exposure ensures your citrus trees produce the biggest, juiciest, sweetest fruit possible. Is this information helpful? If so, subscribe guys if you haven't. Give it thumbs up. More likes means more audience reach. And if you think the information is worth sharing, please do so. Share this information with all your friends, especially those who wish to grow citrus indoors. And also, always remember to ring the bell so you never miss any videos with expert gardening tips such as this. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. Moving forward. Now here's the trick many overlook. Citrus trees are self-pollinating plants. By nature, bees and wind can help you increase fruit production. However, if you grow citrus indoors, bees are not around to help you, and even a fan would not be enough to pollinate. So the solution, hand pollination. So get a soft brush or cotton swab to pollinate your citrus tree. Let's do the pollination. Let's pollinate our tree. So this is my lime. So what we're going to do is hand pollinate the flower. Take the pollen from one flower and transfer to another. So this is going to help us boost our fruit production. Alright, we hand pollinate our citrus. Hopefully we have more fruit harvest. Now, here's the last secret. But before we get into this secret number 4, let's not to forget watering and pest or disease management. Now, watering, overwatered or underwatered plants can weaken the tree as well as can lead to bloom or fruit drop. So, for proper watering, make sure you check the soil. You can get a soil moisture kit, or you can use your finger. Insert your finger all the way down 2 inches and check the soil. If it is dry, water the plants. If it is wet, stop watering. Alright. The general rule: water only when 2 inches of soil is dry to the touch. Alright. So that is a general rule. So I water most of my citrus. Now, pests and diseases also weaken the tree and also affects the fruit. So if it is infested, if the fruit is infested, they are more likely you have a fruit drop. So to avoid that, you need to make sure you manage your pests, manage your disease, especially like greasy spot also affects photosynthesis. So what I'm doing here, I use this product, Azatec Plus. This is I recommend this product. This is very effective in controlling over 200 bugs in the garden, including mealybugs and spider mites. Mealybugs and spider mites are most common pests on citrus. So use this Azatec Plus. You can get it from our site, cashewgreens.com. When you spray your citrus with Azatec, spray from the top, from below, and then on the surface. So this is going to prevent the pest from infesting your tree. Now here's the final secret. This is a game changer. Woohoo! If you want to supercharge your citrus, you need this. This is a game changer. This is Bloom Plus. And I'm not affiliated with the company, but I share this product here in my video so you guys can give it a try. Bloom Plus has 10% nitrogen, 54% phosphorus, and 10% potassium. You will need higher phosphorus to increase fruit production. Phosphorus not only helping a stronger root system, it is also increasing blooming and fruit size. So now remember, when you feed your citrus, always check the soil pH, alright? Because citrus prefers slightly acidic soil, a pH of 6.5 and 7.0. If the pH is not corrected, if it is too high or too low, certain nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc are least likely absorbed by the roots. So to avoid that, check the pH. That is your number one priority. So let's feed our citrus. So this is my key lime. As you can see, it's starting to bloom. You have that bloom flower there, and we're going to make sure that the flower will develop. So we're going to feed with higher phosphorus. So you only need one tablespoon of Bloom Plus per gallon of water, and feed your tree. So you can apply phosphorus once every 3 weeks. This is going to increase fruit production or fruit size, and it is also making your tree stronger. So that's it, folks. To supercharge your citrus, that you need to manage your watering, because overwatered or underwatered can weaken the tree and also can lead to fruit drop. You need to manage your nutrients. High in phosphorus is recommended if you want to increase the fruit size or make the trees having strong root system, because root is the foundation of the plant. It is responsible in absorbing nutrients, so you need a strong roots. And manage your pests and diseases. mealybugs, spider mites, and other pests on citrus, you need to make sure that the tree is not infested or is not infected with disease, because the pests and diseases can weaken the tree as well as can disrupt photosynthesis as well as decreases fruit production. Now, if you want a full guide or full detail on how to supercharge your citrus, we publish our book. This is my book, guys. This is called Supercharge Your Citrus, and there is a lot of information you can learn from these books. So you can get this book on Amazon Kindle. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you. Again, this is a best guide to supercharge your citrus, so get a copy of this book. And this is Marcelina from cashyourgreens.com. If you have any question, comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace out.